In the heart of bohemian Paris, amidst the intellectual ferment of the 1960s, a philosopher named Jacques Derrida rose to prominence. Born in Algiers to Jewish parents, he was exiled to France at a young age. His journey was marked by a relentless pursuit of knowledge and a profound questioning of conventional wisdom. Derrida, a prolific writer and thinker, was a leading figure in the movement known as Post-Structuralism. This intellectual current sought to challenge the foundational principles of linguistics, literature, and philosophy, particularly the assumption that meaning in language is fixed and unchanging. The crisis that set the stage for Derrida's revolution was the stifling orthodoxy of traditional philosophy. Many philosophers of the time adhered to a rigid, logical framework that left little room for ambiguity or interpretation. This rigidity, Derrida believed, was a barrier to genuine understanding and a reflection of power structures that silenced alternative voices. Derrida's action was his concept of deconstruction, a method of analyzing texts that seeks to expose the inherent contradictions and biases within them. He argued that every text is a web of meanings, and that the meaning of a text is not fixed but is constantly shifting and changing, influenced by the reader's context and perspective. Derrida's deconstruction was a radical departure from traditional philosophical methods. It was met with both praise and criticism. Supporters saw it as a liberating force, freeing thought from the constraints of established dogma. Critics, however, saw it as a destructive force, undermining the very foundations of rational thinking. The consequence of Derrida's work was a profound shift in the philosophical landscape. His ideas influenced a wide range of disciplines, from literature and linguistics to political theory and cultural studies. His work continues to be debated and studied today, over half a century after its inception. In the end, Derrida's deconstruction was not just a philosophical movement, it was a call to question, to challenge, and to innovate. It was a testament to the power of critical thinking and the importance of questioning the status quo. And though it has been a source of controversy, there is no denying its impact on the intellectual world. In the spirit of Derrida, we are reminded that the pursuit of truth is a never-ending journey, and that the meaning of our world is not fixed but constantly evolving, shaped by each of us in our unique perspectives. And so, we continue to deconstruct, to question, and to seek understanding in the ever-changing tapestry of human thought.